If your Ford Maverick screen goes black when using Apple CarPlay, don't worry, it is usually a simple software handshake issue. Data shows that nearly 80% of these black screen glitches are resolved by a basic sync reset. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get your display back online. Start by unplugging your phone, then hold the power and seek forward buttons until the Ford logo reappears. Cheap cables are the silent killer of CarPlay. Always use a genuine Apple cord to ensure stable data transfer. Check your iPhone settings to ensure that CarPlay is toggled on and your iOS software is fully updated. Most issues are software-based, but if these steps fail, you may be looking at a faulty APIM module. As you can see, replacing your cable is the single most effective way to restore your connection. If you're still stuck, check your fuse box for blown infotainment fuses or perform a full system master reset. Always keep a high-quality cable and a basic OBD-I scanner in your glove box for quick troubleshooting on the go. Remember that even a high-tech system is only as reliable as its weakest connection point. If your screen remains black after these steps, it is time to visit the dealer for a module warranty claim.